What up, guys? This is El Patron, and we're sitting here with Mr. Eric from Champion Mindset. We're talking about the conference with Brian Tracy. Now,
Yes.
tell me a little bit about Brian Tracy.
Well, Brian Tracy is really one of my first mentors in the sales world. And because of him, I was able to build a company, build multiple companies, train hundreds of thousands of people.
Yeah.
But Brian is somebody that teaches you if you do A and you do B, you're going to get C. He doesn't give you a lot of hype. He doesn't give you a lot of rah-rah. He gives you what you need to do to be successful. And that's what our whole team does when we come in there. We help people change the way they're looking at their sales process, what they're doing for business. But Brian, he's one of these people that gets inside your head, and if you follow him, and I've done stuff that he's taught me for 30 years, you're going to get better results.
It's good stuff, guys. So look them up. We're going to be part of the conference on November 13th. Okay, and where is it going to be?
It's going to be at the LaGuardia Marriott. It's all day. It's going to be a great show. It's a one-day conference that we're running.
Okay, so it's a one-day conference, guys. I highly recommend it. I'm probably going to send some of my salespeople. I already told them about it.
Yep.
So they're going to be there as well. They see what the change. I brought the top guy at the Hustle and Grind Con, and it has changed a lot for him. His mindset, Eric Thomas, kind of, the same way. But I started listening to Brian Tracy now at the gym. That's really how I do my, in the morning. I get in the groove, and I just start listening. It's time that I have to myself. So, guys, check it out. Brian Tracy is going to be in New York, okay? And we're going to be at that conference as well, El Patron. We're going to be talking about branding and stuff like that, which is what everybody should be doing, bottom line. All right, so looking forward to seeing you in November.
Absolutely.
All right, guys,
great.
click the link below. If you have any questions, DM me. Let me know if you want to be at 10, and we'll give you a special deal, Patron style. Peace.